Get away, Sam. Jesus Christ. Hey, you're going this way, buddy. This way. This way. Come on. Come on now. Just, you can't figure it out? Come on now. Just the gate's right here. The gate's right here. Just leave. There you go. No. No. It's okay, Sam. Get up here. There you go. There you go. There you go. So you're probably wondering how this all started. How did I end up in this situation? How did I end up with crazy stampeding deer destroying all the stuff on my property, smashing into my gates? Well, it all started this morning when they snuck in looking for a little snackaroo. And, you know, they like eating the leaves off my citrus trees. They're kind of pests, okay? But, you know, they are the logo of my farm, so I tolerate them. And you might be wondering, well, why are your gates open? That's not, your gates are usually not open. Well, you know, we're doing construction work. We're doing renovations. And, yeah, you're right. The gates are normally closed. And normally they would never, like, scale the gates to come in. But if the gates are already open, they feel emboldened to sneak in. This is one of the side effects of me keeping my gates open. I hate keeping my gates open for this reason. Anyways, my doggy door is not operable right now because of the renovation. So I wanted to let my dog go out to go pee. And when this happened, all hell broke loose. Sammy, my dog, wanted to play with them. And they're not very playful, at least not with other species of animals that resemble wolves. So it didn't work out that well, guys. I'm not going to lie. And minor damage to my fence was caused, particularly in that one area where you saw he slammed into the fence head first. And that was very interesting. And I'm very glad that I caught that on camera. So there you go, guys. You're seeing a combination of the security camera footage as well as the... Bro, look at the damage they did to my gate. Wild, crazy-ass deer. But this is just a regular morning out here for me, bro. Eventually they figure it out, but I don't know. This is just something I keep having to deal with. Crazy deer. Well, hey, you can't say the sign's false advertising. You can't say the sign's false advertising, can you? No, Sammy. Hey, Sammy, get away, Sam. Jesus Christ. Hey, you're going this way, buddy. This way. This way. Come on.